Hi everyone, so this is me again, Jeansy Veral, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video is I'll be sharing to you my simple recipe, budget friendly also, a chocolate pound cake. Yes, you heard it right. A chocolate pound cake. So here are our ingredients. First is we have 1 cup butter melted, 1/2 cup shortening, it's a vegetable shortening, 3 cups of sugar, 5 unbeaten eggs, 1/2 cup cocoa, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of this, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and 1 cup of milk. Here, the other side. So these are the entire ingredients for our chocolate pound cake. So our first procedure is let's make a batter mixture. Let's add our 1 cup of melted butter. Let's add our shortening. And let's add our sugar. Here. Let's mix this for 2 minutes using our electric mixture at the very high speed, okay? Let's cover this one para hindi siya matapon. High speed for 2 minutes. Let's add the eggs one at a time. Egg number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Let's wait for 2 minutes and then let's set it aside. Okay, so now let's combine the flour mixture. 3 cups of flour. The cocoa, baking powder, and the salt. And let's just combine it using our spatula. Okay, here we go. And then let's set this aside and let us combine the milk and the vanilla extract. stir it. Here. Set it aside. And let's go back in this one. Still in high speed. Let's add the milk. And then let's add the flour mixture. Don't mix all of your flour right away. Add your flour alternately. Or dahan-dahan bumaba. And then let us cover this one and let it mix for 2 minutes at high speed. Okay, so after 2 minutes, guys, let it sit for several seconds, and then here you go, guys. Look how pretty it is. And then don't forget to preheat your oven for 325 Fahrenheit, okay? And let us spray, or let's add some grease to our hands. And let us sprinkle a little bit flour on this also. And let's pour our batter. Oh, look at that, it's real pretty. Let me scrape this. Not every mixture is really mixed, but it will still be good. Okay. Let me just clean the pan. So let's wait for the preheated oven. And then let's bake this for 1 hour and 25 minutes, or until it is fully cooked. Look at that. It looks super pretty. Okay guys, so after preheating your oven for 325, let's put this inside. If you're not going to use a baking gloves, just make sure that you are trying to do a safety precaution of yourself, okay? So let's wait for 1 hour and 25 minutes. Let's set a timer here. Oops. Okay, let's wait for 1 hour and 25 minutes. See you later. So 10 more minutes guys, and tapos na tayo sa ating cooking our chocolate pound cake. 10 minutes more. Look, it looks delicious. It's kind of moist and I loved it. So yun na guys, nag-beep na siya. So it means tapos na. Ooh, ang bigat. Here. Check natin if talagang cook na siya. Gagamit tayo ng toothpick, or let's use toothpicker. And then to check if it's really fully cooked. Gotcha. Ayun. So it's not sticking on the steak anymore, so that means it is cooked. So this is our final chocolate pound cake. So thank you so much for watching. This is Jeansy Veral, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Again, this is my simple recipe for chocolate pound cake. See you again next time in my next upload. Bye bye. Bye bye.